Hey guys, today we will unbox the Honor View 20 smartphone for you, the first phone in the world to bring a punch hole camera in the front. Now inside the box you get the phone, a cover, the adapter, USB cable and the SIM eject tool. At the back the smartphone has a dual camera setup, but it isn't the traditional dual camera setup. You have one 48 megapixel camera and the other is a TOF 3D stereo camera. The front has a 25 megapixel selfie camera. Speaking of the rear camera, the TOF 3D camera brings with it an interesting set of features. To begin with, it helps with the focusing speed of the camera. It also brings with it a beauty and shaping mode, enabling you to make your pictures look the way you want them to. The TOF camera also helps with portrait images. One interesting feature is the portrait lighting mode, which gives you access to an interesting set of backgrounds to make your photos look unique. Both the front and the rear camera boast of AI capabilities, adjusting things like color, exposure and more to help you get a better picture. The front 25 megapixel camera sits in a small punch hole on the front of the display, eliminating the need for a notch. The build of the smartphone brings with it something unique as well. The View 20 has a laser etched back which gives it a 3D optical effect. The back of the smartphone also houses the fingerprint sensor. Speaking of the front, the smartphone brings with it an IPS LCD 6.4-inch 19.5:9 display with a 1080 by 2310 pixel resolution. Under the hood, it is powered by the 7nm high silicon Kirin 980 processor coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB built-in storage. The dual SIM Honor View 20 is powered by a 4000 mAh battery. The punch hole camera isn't intrusive when using apps on the smartphone like Chrome or YouTube and simply blends into the UI. The case that comes in the box is transparent and fits snug on the smartphone. The Honor View 20 has a USB Type-C port at the bottom along with the speaker grill. The endangered headphones jack rests on the top of the device. The right of the smartphone has the power button along with the volume rocker. That was an unboxing and quick look at the features on offer on the Honor View 20 smartphone.